Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to share one tip of LinkedIn. Suppose if you want to if you want to add somebody in your LinkedIn page, so how you can do it? Just go to the setting, then you can go to manage admins, right? You can click here, then you can click on add admin, and then you can decide whether you want to give that person a super admin access or content admin access or curator or analyst. Yeah, based on different roles you can assign the role. And if that person is added in your list, so you can type the name here. Like if I talk about a few of my ex employees, so I would say Zainab. Okay, so you can see it here, Zainab Ansari. So she has worked with us. So if I want to give her access, so you can click here and you can check it out. So yeah, and if I talk about other things that you can do, then it would be like manage following whoever you like, whatever pages are there whom you are following, so you can manage it from your LinkedIn page. लाइक ऐसा कई बार होता है ना कि अपन को लगता है कि इफ एनी पेज इज फॉलोइंग एनी अदर पेज, सो इट्स हार्ड टू फाइंड दैट following list of our page. So it's really easy to manage or say to make changes in your following list for any LinkedIn page. You can just go to settings and you can find all options here. Then manage domains, you can see it here. Whatever domain you have added, so you can either like delete it or keep it like the same in the same way, or even you can add new one. So other than this, you can also look to the content page of your company that you have added. Then job, whatever jobs you have posted, you can see it from there. Or whatever, if there is any active job, so you can see it right from here. So you can see it here. Okay, other than this, you can see like you can see an option, deactivate page, if anybody is going to shut down the company or like online work or maybe offline company, so they can go, they can deactivate. Sometime what happens is, suppose if you have created a page and you want to change, like you want to create a new one. Okay, you want to create a new page, so you will think to deactivate that previous page and start working on new page. So for that matter also, you can go for deactivate page. So these are a few of the options that you can go for, and you can manage your page nicely. So you can also check your inbox settings, so it should be like service request, their request a demo, support, career, others. So you can choose like whatever things you wanted to choose, and based on it you can customize your button according to your niche and your needs. Then you can also see there is an option of restrict, like whomever you have restricted from your company's page, that list will be coming inside this manage restricted members. So yeah, I just wanted to share about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. So stay tuned. Bye bye, take care.